Remove all parts and materials from the box. Check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into board 10 and 11. Repeat this step for the other board 10 and 11. Attach board 2 to board 7 using CSK screw M5. Attach board 4 to board 7 using CSK screw M5. Attach board 5 to board 7 using CSK screw M5. Attach board 6 to board 7 using CSK screw M5. Attach board 12 to board 7 using CSK screw M5. Attach board 11 to board 7. Attach white PVC pipe into the hole provided on board 7. Attach board 1 to cabinet's body using CSK screw M5. Attach both boards 10 to the bottom of the cabinet's body. Attach board 3 to cabinet's body. Use screwdriver to screw the CSK screw M5 into place. Gently paste the round sticker to cover up the screw hole. Install board 13 and 9 to the back of the cabinet's body using nail. Install metal hinges to board 8 using CSK screw M3.5. Repeat this step for the other two board 8. Attach board 8 to cabinet's body using CSK screw M3.5. Use the screw in the middle of the hinge to adjust left and right. Use the screw on the back of the hinge to adjust the front and back. Install moon shape handle using screw M4. Repeat this step to install the other two handle. Congratulations, you have assembled your 3-door wardrobe.